Hi, to set up Face Unlock on your OnePlus Nord 3, we will need to open Settings first, and here select the tab Security and Privacy. After that, go in the Device Unlock and choose Face Fingerprint Unlock. So here we need to simply select the face, agree with terms and conditions. Now we just need to enter lock screen password. And now we need to tap the continue button and position the face in the circle until the enrollment is complete. So that is what I'm gonna do now. Now we just need to tap this done button and we just set up Face ID. So let's test it. I'm gonna lock my phone. And now it unlocks just with the help of Face ID. Let's go back in the setting. Once more, device unlock, face unlock. Here, just tap on the face, enter the password, and now you can select for which type of data you want to use your face. Only screen unlock, or you can also choose to app unlock and private save. Also, there are few options as enter home screen after unlocking, brighten screen in dim light, and require eyes to be open. And yeah, that's it how it works. So hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.